I squeal. Heidsab kasi tetzel at the coats and tumble. Heidsab elwesiam.
Being part of the Roots and Shoots project has given us a platform and a structure to deliver opportunities and connect students to the natural plants of our ecosystem and all the gifts they offer. Having the garden space immediately accessible to our students offers a lot of opportunities for them to connect to our local plant community and learn and grow together.
Because of my family traditions, I have a beautiful relationship with plants, and I understand the importance of listening to elders and knowledge keepers. From conversations about the garden, we learned that the traditional name for this area is Khowhemun, which means where the berries ripen first. Honoring local history and place has informed all aspects of the garden design. Having students work and learning with the plants and nature just feels right.
We give thanks to the people who cared for the land since time immemorial, and we give thanks to the students who will learn and grow as they care for the land in the years to come.
Tsiet to dot mistimo yet natamo kasi I hayal kach updates. Tsiet smanamst who tatalet I yet tatamo.
We give thanks to the Jane Goodall Institute Global for recognizing the importance of this project.
Hi, Sapka.